Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Is the stock market going to close red or green today? Red, green, break even. There we go. Yeah, let us know. Dizzle, top of the morning. M-Sense, top of the morning. Mom, good morning. And my life be like, good morning. Yes, Wednesday. Happy hump day. We got the Fed today. Okay, hey, I'll see what I see. Mahishu, good morning. All right. Here, let me slide this over here. Refresh, see if there's anything interesting. Edie Silver, good morning. Tay, good morning. Marshall, good morning. Okay, let's see. So, here, when was it yesterday? So yesterday, I think down here, like just before close, grabbed a call. Looked like it went up going as high as 562. So there was still like a little opportunity to take profit, but I didn't really miss out on much anyway. So it's cool. Let's see. Jack, good morning. My red play is looking like they might turn green today. I haven't lost if I haven't. Kind of just depends on how far they run. And also don't forget that theta's eating at you, M-Sense. Henry, top of the morning. Apple, Tesla, and Coke. Oh my, let's see. All right, Apple is in a range. They got an analyst upgrade, so I'm watching Apple like if they want to break this trend line. They've been kind of consolidating above this EMA or below this EMA. They've been riding it. They have been below it since March 10th. And the whole time they've been below, it's just been very strong. They've been kind of in a downtrend since February 25th. So I think they will make some kind of reversion to the mean. Yeah, they still got to come up and close that gap. I mean, of course, not necessarily anytime soon, but we'll see. I'm going to hit you right up. I have a 561 call on the SPY. Are we going up? Honestly, I have no idea. So my kind of hope and thesis for the day, don't forget we got the Fed towards in the second half of the day, about 2 hours before market close. So a lot can happen. I don't know which way they'll push things, but my kind of thesis is that we'll make some sort of move up. I don't know why that just closed off like that. But yeah, my thesis is like we will kind of like melt up into this zone and then maybe come down like this, make a new low. But it's also possible that we could melt up there and then just continue on because what is it? What am I trying to say? Continue on just because people like what the Fed's saying. But I like sticking to my plan. I am going to grab, like if we come in here, I'm going to grab a short. But also if we come down here, I'm going to grab a call. And I'll kind of let both of them do what they do while they're at the extremes. I'm not going to do anything in the middle. But yeah, I think I'm kind of focused on the SPY, and then also looking at Apple. If Apple wants to like break trend or whatever to the upside, I'll take that. If they want to break out to the downside, I'll take that as well. All right, let's see. Yoko, top of the morning. Let's see. Jay Folks, good morning. Timothy, good morning. D Scurv, good morning. Lee, appreciate the heads up, and good morning. All right, so what What was I going to say? My computer sounds like it's working very hard right now. Very, very hard. I see a gap down to like 471 on the Qs. Oh wait, hold up. That's kind of similar to this 554 on the SPY. So yeah, ideally we come make some sort of move up into that, so I can grab it. So we can grab a short. Jarvel, good morning. Janae, good morning. Okay, I see we're up at we're at 50% on the likes. Okay, I see some of us trying to stay away from what is it, El Salvador? Trying to stay away today, I see. Showing up this morning. Let's see. Also, hey, while we have this time, take a look at Coke. Yeah, we can take a look at Coke. Let's swap out Tesla. So Coke. It looks like I did get an alert for them in a little bit. Yeah, so they broke to the downside. So one thing I would potentially watch out for is a sweep of this level. But yeah, other than that, you would expect them to come down like they're or they were. Like last week they were showing overbought on the weekly. On the 4 hour they've kind of like chilled out on the RSI. It's crazy how they've kind of gone off like that. So honestly they could like in time have more steam to the upside, but not much going on there. But yeah, they broke to the upside. I'm not sure how long lived this will be. If you drop to a lower time frame, they're kind of oversold. So, well, that's a low. Yeah, they'll probably, honestly, I would say if they come here, there's a good chance there will be a pop up. That's kind of how they were moving. But I'm not sure if you were here, but whenever we got that news that Coke was doing here, let me clear this out. Whenever we got the news that Coke was doing what is it? A stock split. It wasn't for this Coke. It wasn't KO. It was for the actual ticker symbol, COKE, like Coke. So this is what's doing the stock split. So just for the record, if you thought, like if you bought this because you heard stock split, that is not valid. Just wanted to give a heads up. Mass 3DRC, good morning. D-Scurve for the lurkers in the back. Hit that like button. Hey, or we can take a trip down south. That's cool as well. Rodney, good morning. No, yeah. Yeah, it'd be like that. Like D-Scurve would be like that. Let's see if there's any interesting movers this morning. I don't feel like there should be, but let's see. Yeah, SPY is barely up. Q's is... Yeah, most everything I'm seeing is like pretty much unmoved. And Tesla's up like 3%. So that's good for Tesla. I still would really like to see Tesla like pull back up to this zone, but that would really be some movement. Here, let's actually draw like some support and resistance. Just temporary support and resistance. So temporary resistance like for the day. Like anybody trying to take day trades is probably going to be about 230, 450, 235. Wait, that didn't, okay. The line didn't show up. Yeah, I'll say probably about right there. Why is it not showing up? Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we got right there. And then support. I would say about 228, 2750, somewhere in that, like right here. That's what I would call support and resistance on Tesla today, or like for right now. It could definitely go further, but like that's just the current range, or maybe even to the downside 225. It has already been there today, but this is where I would like start by looking. I'm just a heads up, I'm probably not making any trades on Tesla. Probably just looking at the SPY. Let's see. Video reload. Hey, good morning. Sense. Didn't know Coke. Yeah, I didn't either. Keith came through and told us yesterday. I think Keith was the one that originally gave us the heads up. RGCs are top of the morning. El Salvador is not too far from me. I make sure I hit that. Oh dang. Well, hey, at least you're not. Hey, not in El Salvador. Hold up, Apple did something. What is? Oh, okay. I had like an RSI alert on Apple. I think that was originally I think it was like a take profit alert for me, because I was gonna, when Apple was oversold down here, I was like, hey, I would take profit here, but I'm glad did I take profit? I'm not sure if I had an Apple call. I'm not sure which Apple call this was associated with. No, I think those were the ones out of the money. I don't think I took profit. All right, well, let's see. Alani, good morning. And Bradley, good morning. I saw your other video thinking it was your live at first. I'm like, why? Oh yeah, I definitely wouldn't throw that as a live. I'll probably end up changing that picture like later. I just didn't I usually just like to take a screenshot from the video, but I feel like I want to do like get a better shot of the desk. But yeah, yeah, definitely not gonna be riding the desk on stream. Where are those $20 options? So there is this thing called the VIX, the volatility index. The $20 options don't exist right now in this market. So maybe when the VIX gets back down, like here, if we look at the VIX, here, let's look at it on like a weekly chart. All right, so if we look at the VIX, if I had to guess, around the time that $20 options video was made, the VIX was chilling between this like 14 to like 12 range. The VIX is now up here, kind of chilling in this 20 up to like 30 range. Oh, the market's open. So yeah, we'll cut the VIX talk for now. But yeah, the $20 options are not a thing while the VIX is as high as it is. And for those of you that don't know what the VIX is, that's the volatility index. And yeah, pretty much that just means options are not going to be cheap because stocks are moving a lot more. All right, so got eyes on the SPY, got eyes on the. Here, let me go to like a 15-minute on the. Let's go to 30 on the SPY. All right, let's see. We're straight up doing a Calvin. Oh, y'all are wilding. Y'all are wilding. Oh, appreciate you, Video Relo. Yeah. Honestly, I wanted it for like years, but hey, no problem. Dream deeply. Yeah, it's unfortunately, yeah, options are expensive. It's like it's nice. Like usually, whenever you go from stocks not moving to stocks moving a lot, you got one opportunity to take like really, really cheap and make like crazy massive returns. But like after you get that crazy move, it's like it takes a long time to set up the environment for that again. All right, Apple's kind of going for some. Let's see. Let's go to a 30 on Apple. So yeah, Apple is going for it. They did get an analyst upgrade, but I really want to here. Let's actually go to like a 15. Like I would like to. Ideally, Apple can come back to this at least 213 before they do anything. Derek, good morning. IQ So Real, top of the morning. Dr. Modified, good morning. Good morning. All right, so Apple is, right now it's a wick. I'd like to see a little pullback, a little retest of this. Like, here, let's set an alert. There we go. All right, so we got the SPY pushing up. Once again, yeah, Apple got an analyst upgrade. All right, they got a price target upgrade. Wait, let's see what they say. Potential increase forecasted to, You're really trying to see what happens with this first candle on Apple. You got the SPY pushing up. Q's not really moving that much. A lot of the stuff I'm seeing on the side is pretty like it's chilling for now. All right, Tesla's approaching resistance. Let's see. VIX is down a little bit. Let me do a quick refresh on Derive real quick over here on the side. Oh, that was okay. Nothing new. We're chilling. All right, Apple coming back down. Let's see if we get a little pullback. Actually, that may not even fully be anything if they do. We'll see. All right, so we, like, once again, like, thinking about it, we kind of don't have anything going on. Okay, Apple trying to hold what we got. All right, so we made it through our first 5 minutes. Let's see where that first 5 minute close on the Apple. All right, yeah, it's still like showing resistance up there. I'll still watch that on Apple. Yeah, Tesla looks like one of the biggest movers percentage-wise today so far. TTD, SMCI up 1.5. Big Reg, top of the morning, top of the morning. All right, yeah, Apple is showing some strength. Kind of. Let's see if we can get a complete candle, because it's like you got other stuff like kind of showing wicks and whatnot. Apple is showing a little. Is showing some strength, but I also don't like the thought of buying up here. Let's see. All right, so we can call this kind of the break. Maybe we go for the retest. We talked about this yesterday. We talked about it yesterday. So let's see if this actually ends up being a break. Um, it's not fully looking like a break. Not fully looking like a break. It might just, hey, Apple might just be saying psych. All right. Yeah, it's just looking like liquidity right now. A lot of people getting rid of their shares. Other people snapping them up. Just a little exchange going on. Ah. I might want to do a different poll. Actually, no, I'm chilling for now. Chilling for now. All right, so I see 50% red today, 40% green. Oh dang, we got a vote for every single like that's come through. Shout out to y'all for the voters for liking, smashing the like. Okay, now we got one more vote than likes now. Oh, we're break even, break even. Okay. Yeah, the votes used to kind of kill the likes, but now they're kind of on par. Oh, now the likers are smashing. Okay, all right, we getting a little pullback action on Apple. Okay, that's kind of what I want to see. Kind of what I want to see. Let me scroll through some other time frames. Aaron, good morning. Good morning. All right, so hold up, we're about to close out this candle on Apple. Let's see. All right, so we didn't get a real break here. You could kind of say we got actually. You could kind of say over here, like there was a break over here, depending on what time frame you're on. This is why I trade on higher time frames. Okay. All right, so now we're down here. See how we're looking. Let's go to a 30. Oh, we already knocked like 3 times. Come through. Let's go see what it looks like on the 1 hour. Still 1, 2, 3. Hey, see Smooth, top of the morning, off the dome. Good morning. All right, yeah, we still trying to push. Still trying to push. And then one more look at the 4. All right, I'm actually really liking this. Like I'm liking the way it looks in most of the spots. I don't want to go too big though, but here, let's see. Let me look around at some options. Let's see how much they go for. Oh, that's the watch list I was about to say. Okay, trade options. That would be this week. Next week. Oh, those are puts. I was like, why are they so expensive? Oh, it's still kind of being held down. Okay. All right, I'm gonna add that one to the watch list to see if I want to buy it later. Okay. Yeah, got eyes on it. Okay, let's see. Kareem, top of the morning. All right. Yeah, kind of got a feeling of bullishness for Apple, but I would like to see a little pullback first. Anything on Derive? Signed up but didn't get the chance to. No, not yet. Um, You need it today? I think we'll see how things go after the Fed announces things. So QBTS, I would say could happen today after the Fed maybe, or Friday. That's you gotta look at the times they typically like to move things. There's not really too much going on until the Fed today. So as of right now, I don't know. All right, so wait, where did the Qs come yesterday? So support for the Qs was this yesterday? Tuesday? So the Qs came down to like 172.50 or so. SPY came down to about 559. Wait, they already been there before. Yeah, we'll just have to see for now. I think so. Nvidia's dropping. Oh yeah. I was about to say I have it on my stream, but I forgot y'all can see it. So Nvidia, this is technically kind of a retest. Let's look at it on 1 hour. So Nvidia is dropping, but this could we got a break over here. It's a downtrend. This could be a retest. So we'll kind of have to see what happens here. This could be like a point to actually take a call or something. Let's go to let's watch it on a 15. All right, we're getting a little pullback on Apple. Getting a little pullback on the SPY. Here, let's see. Sold my QBTS for a profit last week. Hey, nice. I guess you sold it same day. Just don't have I don't have an expiration of today. It's just been climbing for. Can't see it touching 11:30, 12. I can see it I want to say I could see it as high as here. Let's swap out this Robinhood. What was the level? It was actually a little higher than this. Yeah, I was saying, oh yeah, I had an alert up here. I was like, if they come up here, yeah, I'm for sure grabbing one more. Because there's no reason for them to be up like this. Right now it's there's no news or anything. Things aren't really great. This is just inefficiencies being kind of filled in. So I'm just hoping I got enough time for that inefficiency to correct itself, because now that inefficiency has created another one. So all right, Apple's still trying. Okay. Let me check in, look at that contract that I watch listed. Okay, it's up like 6%, but still not convinced. Top of the morning, Chase. Yeah, that's a good question. Is he a hawk or a dove? So everyone's saying kind of about the Fed speaking today, and well, not today. So everyone is saying he wants to still sound like hawkish and be bearish, but everyone's saying like the data and whatnot is kind of like, yo, this year is gonna end up being a lot more dovish than he wanted to be, or than what was originally predicted. So like there's a good chance. The question is he going to show it today? But like it looks like things are going to get pretty dovish. Here, let's see. All right, that Apple's up 10%. I'm not in Apple, just for the record. All right, I don't like this consolidation is not our friend. Let's go to the 15 on Apple. Okay, on the 15-minute, Apple is it's going. Okay, so there's a good chance. Like we got these 3 bullish candles on Apple. That would probably be some kind of retracement. I also like to see the SPY furthering up. The SPY is going towards where I said I would pick up a put. So yeah, if it wants to, go on SPY. Let's drop to a 15 on the SPY. Yeah, let it do that. Anywhere in here, I'm game for a put. Let me just start looking. I'm sure they're gonna be like extra expensive. I'm not trying to spend more than like 150. So, and I feel like I might want to go for tomorrow or the next day, just so I don't have to close out right at the end of the day. Let's see. I'm not getting it directly right now. I just want to look and see. So let's see. Zoom out a little. Okay, that's tomorrow. Let's check one more day. Let's check Friday. Oh, that's a lot more. That's a lot extra for. Yeah, I might have to go for tomorrow. We'll see. All right. Apple could also be a good short to go for. I guess at this like 116 or so level. We go to the 4 hour on Apple. Oh, wrong chart. Because Apple's doing it, but now the SPY's doing it too. There is still a supply zone right there that hasn't been tapped into. Let me see which one would be cheaper. Play the Apple or the SPY. I think Apple shows a better setup actually for a short. Let's see. Honestly, yeah, this is what I've been waiting on Apple puts. Okay. Yeah, I like Apple more. It would be like looking at getting Friday. It would be a better option to go with Apple in my eyes. Yeah, this looks like a better trade. I might. Yeah, if we get in there. Oh, hold up. Yeah, let's try to move this up here. Let's see if we can get in there. You got that trend line and you got that supply zone. I'm here for it. And we might be able to get to the top if the spy still hasn't made it to that level. All right, let's see. Everything seems to, yes, everything very much so is kind of in the range. Hood. So everything's going up right now. It's not just hood. It's like whatever you have your eyes on. But once again, Robinhood is also, so it's supply zone. Actually, that's not a supply zone. But actually, it's in a supply zone from over here, though. Wait, it's actually kind of already sold off, though. So I would say, if hood comes up to this like 44.50, 44.60, or like to 45 level, I'd be looking at downside. The thetas on the SPY calls are yup. Okay, Apple's getting there. It's getting there. All right, yeah. This Apple trade looks like it might be some money. Let's see what's up. I think it's been a couple days since I've been able to share one with the family. I think we should be able to share this one. All right. Oh, yeah, the price is getting better too. Come on, get in there. Yeah, you got the SPY pushing up. What's this, a 4-hour chart? Let me drop back down. It's still looking great, but I was just trying to find that. It might even push a little higher. Like once again, it could so Apple has crossed that area. Let me hop to a lower time frame just to see if it can push higher. What, I'm on a 2? Go to like a 5. Yeah, because the better the price I get in, like I'm trying to like see, oh yeah, if SPY's over here, like maybe we can get it like higher up. But honestly, this is a buy area. But I might be able to get a closer strike if it pushes up more. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, go on, push up. Come on. All right, so Apple has crossed the trend line. Oh, I just got one on the SPY too. So, okay, it's still trying to push a little bit. Go on, mate. All right, I'm looking at one. All right, let's see. Are we still? Here, I'm gonna grab one. All right, so I just grabbed hold on, let me share that with the family. I grabbed a 215 put on Apple expiring this Friday. That's the first kind of check. Here, let me quickly just mark my entry. All right, we enter right there. Let me share that with the family real quick. All right, at everyone just grabbed a, did I say 215? Apple put expiring. Oh, they're trying to push it higher. I might be able to grab one more. Was it 3/ expiring March 21st? Paid. What is it? Dang it. For $175 per share. There we go. All right, shared that. All right, but yeah, ideally, this is going to be the area to grab a short for. Okay, yeah, I might grab one more. Let's see. I'll wait a little bit, but here, let's add that to the watch list real quick. So here, let's Apple, trade Apple options. This was the expiration. Go for a put. It's a 215. Oh wait, hold up. Add to watch list. This does expire not tomorrow, but the next day. So this, unless the conditions get more favorable, it's not going to be the best to swing, because just taking a look at the delta, it is higher than the theta. So ideally, you would not be taking this into. Ideally, you wouldn't be taking this into like swinging this, but yeah, just wanted to share that there. So let's go to the watch list. Let's bring that up over here. Oh, there it is. All right. And I might look at a SPY as well. Hold up. What's that? All right, so I'm down like 10% on it, $19. But I'm still like, I'm cool with where it is. I would say there's a pretty good chance that we'll be able to ride it back there, like by Fed today. I would say, like, unless something happens with Trump, I might even go for like a daily SPY. Let me see. I like it up here. Let's see. Oh, they're expensive. I'm not sure how I feel about the daily SPY. It's like you gotta do more with your timing on the SPY. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that. I might go for it though. Here, let's see. This one wouldn't be one that went to the family though. I don't. It's like, here, let me actually check the rise, see if they have anything similar to what I'm thinking right now. They got something similar on the. Here, let's see. Oh no. That was before the market opened. Never mind. But yeah, let's look at the SPY. Let's go for a. All right, yeah, I'm gonna grab a risky daily. Yeah, I grabbed a 561 put, risky daily, just because I can use some excitement in my life, and I got in like right there. And this SPY trade is going to be very short lived. But yeah, we already got this part over here. So yeah, if that wants to play out, we'll let it play out. All right, let's see. Okay, hold up. I missed some comments. Let's see. SPY can't break the 564 resistance. Hey, let's hope it stays like that. Let's hope because this is a supply zone. It couldn't. When was it? Oh, this was yesterday. Okay, never mind. But yeah, that's a supply zone. Let's see. I probably want to get back up to a 4-hour on that, just so I'm not tripping about what I see. And then maybe the same with Apple. That way I feel a little bit easier. Let's see. What would you say is a good entry for a SoFi call? Here, let's pull up SoFi. Oh, wrong chart. It looks like SoFi just actually broke its uptrend. So actually, I would say a good entry for a short would probably be about 1230, 1233. but a call, first potential, actually, no. So it's in a downtrend right now. So ideally, you wouldn't trade a call in this. Ideally, you trade with the trend. So like looking at the range on SoFi, it's over here. Like this is the current range. So unless it's like makes a new high, like say it comes up to 1277. If it comes up to 1277, then it pulls back anywhere from 1227 down to 1278. That would be like an ideal entry. But till then, there's not really an ideal call for SoFi. Let's see. Good morning. How's everything looking this morning? It's looking good in my opinion. Literally just sold on my Apple call yesterday, as did I. That's the way things work a lot of the times. That's what the market makers are looking for most of the time too. They want to like hold you to the point of impatience, to the point where you close out your positions, and then once you close them out, or once enough people close them out, they can move it because the inefficiency needs to be filled. Honestly, there's still like a gap up to like 220. So Apple, so I think somebody asked, wait here, was trying to save some money. I know how you feel. We have so many red days, this could be a green day. It's very well possible. It's possible. But yeah, it just depends. So you think Apple is done going up? No, it's not necessarily done going up, but I think that was a good spot to get a short. We got a supply zone right there. And I think we'll kind of know after this. Like, I think there will be an opportunity to close this out at Fed, like whenever the Fed speaks. But if the Fed speaks and they just sound extra bullish and whatnot, yeah, it's kind of going to be an issue. It's not going to be something that this is going to be like both of these trades are going to be invalidated. But I made my trades based off of what I saw on the charts. You know, things don't always play out the way they show in the charts, but I made my trades based off of the charts. So as of right now, and just the probability, I feel good about them. And once again, going back to like liquidity and whatnot, it's like if we look at Apple, you can see that they've had wicks in the past going above this trend line. So like it's still going up is nothing out of the ordinary. Here, let's see. SPY is always overpriced. Everything is always overpriced for the most part. Or at least everything that everyone is talking about is always overpriced. Is that liquidity on SPY? Depends on what time frame you're looking at. I'm not I'm not sure what point we were looking at it. I would love Apple and Tesla to climb out of their hole today. I mean, Apple looks like it's trying, but also I feel like Apple has now gone to the point where it's like, okay, we can continue to go down right now. For me personally, these markets are tough because there's so much push and pull. There's so much back and forth. And it's like, not everything is moving the same amount. It's just a little bit tougher for me. Like, even now as I'm kind of like glancing at Intel. Yo, we had this over here, had this little pop. Didn't necessarily make it to this next level. Now it's pulling back while this other stuff is going up. So kind of just have to see. Here, let's see. I would love. Oh wait, hold up. This could be an hour being up before more down. No, yeah, that's 100%. So honestly, I'm just holding this stuff. I was kind of hoping the SPY would. Did I get same day? Oh dang. It's like there was a reason I was looking at tomorrow's on the SPY, but yeah, I got same day. Um, hold up, let me see. Oh, okay. I was like, my portfolio's up, but that's something else that has my portfolio up. I was very confused. I was like, I should not be up on those contracts I bought. Just close out of Apple for profit. See profit. Hey, good stuff, Brandon. I know this is stupid, but I still have my 27.5 call on Apple. Should I try to 27.5 on Apple? What is? Are you saying 227? That comes down to you. It's like honestly, it's possible for it to come back up there. Really just depends. It really just depends. Apple does have some good stuff going for it today. They got like analyst upgrades. But yeah, I just saw the trend line, the supply zone. I want to see how the next, like, I want to see how these 4 hour candles play out because there is a good chance there's just going to be liquidity. So I would say if there is a chance to get out, this is probably going to be your best, but I'm not sure. Ripple lawsuit dropped XRP. Oh, is it moving? Is it moving like that? Let's see. Okay. Got a little pop up. Okay, that's cool. XRP moving a little bit. What are your thoughts on HIMS? My alert still hasn't gone off from HIMS or on HIMS, so I'm still looking for it to drop a little more. Yeah, I think yeah, I was like, so it'll be in a demand zone, like I think a weekly demand zone at 29, but I think it could come to 24. And if we look at it, like just like kind of how it's been touching the trend line, I think it could come touch the trend line. Maybe it takes some time. If it does it at this intersection over here, it would kind of be where I want it to be in June, but yeah, that's kind of what I was looking at, or that's kind of how I feel about it. It's like it can do things, but I'm not going to do anything with it yet. Yeah, I gathered that now, Josh. Like I was thinking, I was like 27.5, but I gathered it. I have my Apple call also expires Friday. Yeah, so I would say we are at a weird spot where kind of a lot can I don't know, a lot is riding on the Fed today. A lot. So like just know things that go on with the Fed, they can negate the things that occur in the charts. So yeah, we'll kind of have to see. I'm just hoping to see my thesis play out. Let's see. XRP to the moon. Okay, we're in pump mode, I guess, on XRP. Just doing the little pumpy pump. Okay, the Qs is still at resistance right now. It's trying to get above it, but let's see. Let's go to a 15 on the Qs as well. Yeah, Qs is at resistance. Let's see if the Qs can get above, other stuff might go as well. I want to buy more puts, but I'm not confident enough. What's your opinion on buying? So I'm going to let you know I feel nervous about it, but the charts and the setups like show that it is a good time to buy puts. When I look at what I was looking for this morning when the market opened up, like seeing that this is like exactly what I was looking for. So this is the time to buy puts according to what I charted. My feeling, because I am watching this, is oh no, things are, they're going to run up, but I think, or like just going off of like the facts, the evidence, what's in front of me, puts should be the move. But I think it's going to come down to Jerome, and it's like you never fully know what's going to go down with Jerome Powell, the Fed, who is speaking at 2 p.m. Eastern, or their announcement comes out at 2 p.m. Eastern. He speaks at 2:30. So it's like, hey, I don't fully know, but I think it's coming down. I just don't feel the best about it. But sometimes it's like whenever you don't feel the best, that you gotta make way and put your head down and do what you do. All right, let's see. On the lower time frame, looks like Apple is crowning. When you say crowning, let's go to yeah, we'll see. The 15, let's see what it looks like on the 5. Oh, I don't like the 5-minute chart. Let's go back to the 15. Hey, top of the morning, Asar. Azure, good morning. My opinion, XRP needs to get to 268, then it will really pump. I'm upset I missed this news, even though great trade until it breaks. Hey, it is what it is. Once again, I still see XRP having some sort of larger pullback at some point. But yeah, it does seem like it'll be a good one to average into over time. Like honestly, like in my opinion, like depending on how long you are, it's like it's still a good time to average into it. Am I averaging into it? No. But that, in my opinion, like it's legit. It's fine. All right, let's see. Hey, no problem, Isaac. 100% can't trade off feelings. It will crush you. Yes, 100%. Yeah, that's like nah, yeah, 100%. Yeah, that's how I get rocked. I feel like I don't know if it's from a workout or if I slept wrong, but my neck has some like tension. Wait, low key, I got this little neck massager thing. Hold up, give me a second. I'm about to get a little neck massage on stream. Hold up. I usually like this thing more on my back, but let's see. Not even in the right spot. Let's see. We'll have to see. Yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, we're trying to hold up here. All right, should I take a risk and go for the Tesla short? I feel this bump is more hype. That comes down to you. There is this EMA here, but also we are still trading internally to the range. So because of that, I personally would not do anything here, but that comes down to you. Every single trade you take is a risk, and it really just comes down to how you feel about it. Also, a ton of lurkers. Oh, don't say it ain't so. Yeah, we got like 43 lurkers. That's a lot. I could only imagine if they were like just if I was like here like I don't know, maybe if I were giving a speech or something. I'm not sure I've ever given a speech. I have talked in front of like crowds before, but I don't think I've ever given like a speech. But yeah, if there were like 43 people just chilling in front of me, like just staring at me, I do have to admit that would be quite alarming. But yeah, if they were like there standing staring at me and they had a thumbs up, I would feel a lot easier. Just because it's like, yo, these people are not they are friends and not foes. But it is what it is. All right, let's see. Um, okay, let's see. Also a ton of lurkers. 50% plus lurker. Oh, that's a lot of lurkers. Your videos help me make $2 a day. Good stuff. That's you seeking knowledge that made you that extra $2 today. Good stuff. Good stuff. More than what I made with the other girl whose group would join. Hey, I'm not gonna say I'm not gonna say anything about the other girl because it's like she's part of your journey. There are a lot of people that you may encounter on your journey, and honestly, there may be little things that you learn from her that maybe it wasn't clicking at the time, but maybe there is something she said that led you to something I said and made your experience in learning and synthesizing the information a lot a lot easier. So it's like, all the successes and failures, everything that you kind of go through, hey, it's just part of the journey and part of the learning. So it's all good. It's all good. I don't find myself in comparison with her or anybody. It's more just like, hey, she probably helped you find your way over here. It's all good. But like also shout out to you for continuing to seek the knowledge and information because I know how easy it is to just give up. There have been times like 6 months periods of times where I'm like, yo, I'm done with options. I don't want to do this anymore. And it's like, of course, I was still like investing, but I'm like, oh yeah, wait, hold up. Then it got to a point where it's like, oh, okay, these stocks are starting to do what I think they're gonna do. I'm like, oh, maybe I'd be better at options now. And that's when you get back in and got to make sure you understand the basics before you move on. All right, let's see. What age did you get into trading? So I dropped out of nursing school in 2018. So that was about 7 years ago. So I started. Hold on. I gotta think about this now. I want to say I was 22 when I actually started trading because I started investing. I was doing well investing, and then I found options. I had a lot of beginner's luck, and then after the whole beginner's luck, I took a fat L on a Tesla trade because I was like, oh yeah, I want to let's start using more money. Took a fat L on a Tesla trade, and then it just I started losing. But yeah, that was around the time I started trading. I would say kind of early 2019. But it was like my knowledge was definitely a lot different then. It's like I was up on contracts and I was like, do I just let it expire? I was like, dude, I was like, am I able to sell out of these? Because I can't buy 100 shares. So it's like I had no idea. So yeah, I thought there was a possibility that what I had done may have been illegal because I see something that I spent like maybe like $300 on, and it's up at like $2,400, and I'm just like, yo, is this legal? I was like, I can't buy 100 shares of this. I was just trying to see what happened. I was like, am I gonna lose this money that I'm up? Yeah, I had so many questions. Lucky J. Yes, much love, much love. Let's see what we got for Lucky J today. We shoot you a penguin. Let's go. Let's go. All right. One day at a time. One day at a time. One play at a time. Yeah, one step at a time. Depending on what you're doing, yeah, just go one at a time. Look at the next one, or make it a goal to get on to the next. Appreciate that, my life be like. Big time appreciate that. Hey, low key, low key. Yo, the lurkers are stepping up today. Wow. We're at 91 kind of early. All right. Hey, Apple's trying to come back to life. Oh, hold up. I didn't watch list my SPY trade. Let me oh, I can't because that was the same day. Okay. Yeah, I would like to watch. Okay, QBTS. Hold up. Let's here. Where'd it go? Hey, it's trying. It's trying. So QBTS is at the 13 EMA on the 4 hour, which has kind of been serving as support. So we'll kind of have to see what happens here. But it's doing all right. How's my Apple contract? So, oh, y'all can't see the top, but apparently it's chilling at about 151. So, what did I pay for? I think I paid 175 for it. So, let's see. Oh, it's at one. So it's down. I'm down 10% on it. I'm down $20 on it now. But yeah, it's doing all right. It's doing all right. It was doing a lot worse. Where are you from? So born in Arkansas. But yeah, pretty much raised in like Dallas, Texas. And then like went off to East Texas for a few years for college. And then after that, went to Colorado for a few years, Colorado Springs. And then now I'm back in Dallas, Texas. Oh, wait, I also did like 8 months. Predominantly in Portugal, but a little time in Hungary. A little bit of time in London. Went to Spain a little bit, but predominantly in Portugal while I was in Europe. It's cool. Your SPY put was 561. Oh, hey, you got money. I see you, ED Silver, getting a 562. Okay. Here, let's see. Yeah, that put, I'm down like 21% on, but I still think there's a good chance. Okay, QBTS is now below $10. It's been a little bit since it's happened. That's cool. All right, let's see. Let me take this hood off. My hair is probably all kinds of crazy, so don't flame me too bad. But okay, let's see. Faraja, hello, good morning. Appreciate that, Henry. You must have. No, not at all. Not at all. But I've always kind of gotten the question of, was I in the military? But no, I've never had any dealing with the military. But yeah, especially when I was in Colorado Springs, everyone like I always thought I was in the military, but that's because there's a military base out there. I did make 79 on the spot. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Uber might have announced they are adding flight bookings. Might be something. Not so for me. It's like I don't know enough about that. But honestly, I thought they had something like that a while ago, but I guess not. I guess that was just a joke when I first saw it. When the blue chips are up, AI seems to. Yeah, I guess we'll watch that up. Oh, my neck massage stopped. Honestly. Yeah, I'll let that kind of chill for a little bit. But I like seeing this Q's like kind of hit resistance right there. It's like ever since that happened, the SPY has kind of pulled back a little bit, and the Apple has. Air Force Academy. Yeah, it is. I went to one of their football games out there. And also I kind of like they make you show ID like to get into those places, and I went with somebody that was like I think he's in the army, and they made me like get down because I didn't have a when you had to get on base to get to the game, I didn't have a what is it? I didn't have my military ID, or I don't have one. There was a point I used to do Uber Eats up there, and it's like, yo, you'd always see these orders that were a lot more money, like you get paid a lot more, and then it's only come to find out they're on base, and you gotta like wait in line, and yo, it was a little bit of a headache, but it was nice when I had like there would be points I would get like a month where I could go on base. But it's cool. It's cool. I feel like I'm just talking now. But yeah, Colorado. Hey, visually, a vibe. I feel like I like the people in Texas more, but visually, Colorado is a vibe. Palantir is going below 4-hour candle, clear before going up. I mean, let's take a look at Palantir. Let's see what Palantir has going on. Where's Palantir? Okay. Yeah, Palantir is technically in an uptrend right now on the 4-hour. Yeah, it's one of the few that's technically in an uptrend on the 4-hour. But honestly, right here, I don't really have much to say. There is still a gap down. There's a gap that needs to be filled. Looking at Palantir to this probably 80-50 level. So that's something to potentially look for to be filled. But other than that, not too much to say about it. Apple and Tesla both touched the 200 EMA on the 5-minute frame. Yeah. Let's turn on the 200. Which EMA is this? Okay, you said 5-minute. Okay. Tesla broke below a little bit. Let's turn on Apple's. Wait, okay, you said. And then dropped. My 200 is down here. Are you sure it's the 5? Let's check the 15. Oh wait, that is the 15. Hold up, let's go. No, yeah, that's Oh, I think our EMAs are not similar. But I do have to say, looking on the 4 hour, this candle is starting to look a lot more like it's respecting and doing what it is. But also, there's still a lot of time on this candle, so we'll have to see with this apple. Let's see the SPY on the 4 hour. I mean, the SPY is looking all right too. So I'm feeling a lot better about my entry. Let me go back down to like a 15 though. You said what was your call on the SPY for today? I had got like a 561 put on the SPY. Only bad thing is it expires today. I'm being risky. Very, 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 very risky, but yeah, that's what I got today. That's what I got today. Oh shoot, we're at 96 likes. Hey, we only got 20 lurkers on this stream. Still just got 20 people just staring at me. But hey, here's what it is. But yeah, it's like right now, it's like when I picture people, just the 20 people staring at me, it's like, yo, they're standing, they got their arm out like this, and it's kind of like, oh shoot, is that 100? Okay, hey, we'll take it. But it's like, oh, 101, 101, okay. But yeah, they're staring at me. They got their thumb out like this, and it's kind of like Julius Caesar or whatever. About to, I think that's who it is, Julius Caesar. Maybe not, but gonna take his thumb, and it's like, do we let him live, or is he going down? And they're just looking at me like this, and they're just waiting, and then, I'm waiting on them to go like this so I can live. But it looks like we are free from El Salvador today, and we did it pretty early, so no scare there. My 200 is here. Let me look at mine again. Yeah, mine's at like 213. Well, that's on the 15. Let me go to a 5 real quick. Mine is 213.58. Yeah, mine's right where yours is. Think I have a good question. If XRP is going up, won't Hood? Hood typically goes. Robinhood will typically go up with crypto, so it's very well possible. What's Bitcoin doing today? Bitcoin's up 1.6. XRP is up 9%. So I still think Bitcoin is kind of more the big dog, but yeah, you could see some increased volume into Robinhood. That could be something to get ahead on Robinhood for. So yeah, that could potentially do well. But Robinhood is also subject to whatever the Fed says. So also be on the lookout for that. All right, let's see. But yeah, that is a good question though. I wonder if some kind of news just hit and everything turning red. Not that I know of. It's like you can see this black line that I had charted. Yeah, this black line that I mean here, it was over here. But this black line, I drew this before the day started. This is what I was hoping for or expecting to happen today. Right now, the charts are just playing out the way that they were supposed to. I mean, we'll kind of have to see what happens, but I think it's just stocks kind of doing what they're doing. All right, so Gladiator, yeah. Hold on, let's see. It is what it is. Matthews go. Hey, you gotta remember. Hey, it is what it is. It's like, yo, whenever things aren't right, it's like actually, whenever things are good, it is what it is. Whenever things are bad, it is what it is. It's like you never truly know if something is a blessing or a curse until time passes. It's like there have been a lot of hardships in my life, and it's like as life goes on, it's like the hardship has actually turned out to be a blessing, because I would not be who I am today without that hardship. And now it's like in me saying things like, yo, it is what it is, it's like, yo, it may hurt right now, but I'm like, yo, how is this building my story for later? It's like something good is coming from this. And it's like, it may hurt right now, but it's like, something's in the works, and like this'll be a good chapter or page in the story of my life. And I'm like, yo, let's get it. It is what it is. It may suck right now, but that's some serious plot armor. I don't know. Mara, Riot are good to watch. Let's see how. Let me do a little scan on the side. Yeah, they are. So Mara actually, I believe, holds the most Bitcoin. So yeah, if Bitcoin ever goes crazy, or like if they ever go down like crazy, and you want some Bitcoin, I would say Mara might be an okay way to do it. All right, I'm looking at a. Oh, that's a scalp. Okay, there were like 2 scalp plays that came up on the Derive, but I'm not feeling the scalp. What is CVX? Let's see. Oh, wrong chart. Oh, Chevron. What is that? Okay. Oh, I think I'm actually up on my Apple call now. Let's see. Let me check. Because apparently it's at 170. No, I should be down. I think I paid like $5 more for it. Yeah, I'm down $4 on my Apple call. It's trying to come back to life. I'm here for it. All right, so Apple is back at this trend line. Let's hope it decides to come through and not hold up at this trend line. Just like let it come on, fall on back. Like this morning, I was like, oh, there is. Yeah, let's hope we can get at least back to this 200 EMA. Make it worthwhile. Jeez, I'm getting out of Apple before. Yeah, that would be ideal. If we can make a return back to this area like before he speaks, or even before the stream's over, that's good. All right, so I am now up $1 on the contract. So if anyone was like in the Discord or anything, they're probably up even better. I'm up 3 on the contract now. Hey, we good on the Apple, waiting on the SPY. I'd be cool even if SPY wants to ride to like 562. Hey, I'm here for it. Everything is part of it. Yes. Oh, sorry. It's like, yes, everything is part of the learning journey. And yeah, it's like a lot of people in the moment, they forget that. Like, similar to the charts, it's the same in life. When in doubt, zoom out. Like, it's like, oh, why is this happening to me? Zoom out. I find a lot of power in like hearing other people's stories too. It's like, oh, look at them where they are now and look at what they've been through. It's like, oh yeah, I don't even have it that bad. I'm like, they had to deal with this, and look at where they are now. So it's like, oh yeah, I can be I can be anything. Pondering QQQ, 470 put or 8. Me personally, I'd probably lean more in the camp of puts, but since we haven't broke out, but it kind of comes down to you. Like listening, learning, and watching. That's what we're here for. I'm gonna have to throw this hood back on. Been watching a lot of videos on swing trading, and it's 90%. Yes, 100. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I don't know where people get these ratios, but it's like I feel like people just be throwing numbers out, like even sometimes for me. But yeah, it's a lot of mental. Like being able to, you gotta be able to bring yourself back to that moment when you were looking at taking the trade or taking the trade, and remember why it is that you got in. All right, let's see. Matthew on options. Oh, wait, hold up. Yeah, we can look at Netflix. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm not gonna trade it because it's too, like the premiums are too high for me at the moment. But yeah, we can look at it. Matthew on option trading on Robinhood. Why does the options close out at 3:30? Does it do the same on? Yeah. So most brokerages are going to do that. If you don't have the money to close out exercise or anything like that in your account, yeah, they're going to close them out to do your risk. It's not just Robinhood. It's like Webull, Moomoo. I think Thinkorswim does it too. When I used to trade with Thinkorswim, yeah, every brokerage that I've done has done that. All right, so where's Netflix? All right, so Netflix, I don't know what to say. They're riding. They're in an uptrend. Yeah, they're in an uptrend. I don't really have anything to say about it. Yeah, there's nothing for me to say about Netflix other than they're in an uptrend, they're moving up. But like I have no analysis to really give on them. The only thing I can really say is they have a supply zone up here. Supply zone, boom. So yeah, you catch them close to 1,000, around 977. Don't be surprised if they sell off. Okay, cool. SPY is now lower than it was when I entered the put. I'm probably still down on the put, but let's see. All right, so Apple down or up 9.71%, SPY down 12%. But hey, we'll take it. We'll take the progress. Here for it. All right, let's see. Like getting warnings, but never close before them. Oh, but also they're usually SPX, QQQ, SPY. Yeah, they do those every day, but the other regular stocks are usually on they'll do it on Fridays. It's like just the ones that expire same day. All right, I'm gonna go back up to a 4-hour on some of these, or maybe let's check out the 30. Oh yeah, that 30's. Oh yeah, that 30 is looking very good on Apple and the SPY. Here, let me slide this back over. It's kind of in the way. Let's look at the 30 on the Qs. Qs looks a little different. Let's look at Tesla. Yeah, we're here. Yeah, that candle on the Apple is looking good. We got a 215. Hey, the SPY is now only down 7%. Oh, 8%. Apple is up 14.86%. Okay, hey, they're back. They're back. What's Intel doing now? Are they going back up again? I know they were dropping earlier today. Did you get puts on Intel? Where's Intel? Well, let's see it. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, they're still dropping. They're still dropping. Good stuff. Good stuff. They are. There is like a demand zone here. So yeah, they're at an area of support, but hey, that's good. That's good. Was looking at it, but didn't place the put. Yeah. You keep talking about contract. What's a contract? So I trade options. So what we've been doing when I get contracts, this is one contract. The contract is a right to buy 100 shares of it's the right to buy 100 shares of the stock. So like say right here, I added it when it was 161 or $1.61 per share, which the whole contract would be worth 161. It is now worth $1.97 per share. So because of that, the whole contract has increased by this amount right here. So that's what the contract is. That is what I am looking at the charts over here of their stock prices to get a gauge on how and where I think their contract prices are going to go. If you have any questions or don't understand this stuff, I would highly recommend you watch the video on my channel called How to Trade Options for Beginners. I think you could stand a lot to learn from it. I take a pretty bad loss in the video, so I think it's a great video to show and explain the realities of like options trading and like how things can go wrong. And I think coming through like after you kind of have that foundation, coming to sit in on these streams like here and there from day to day, I think this can serve to help you build a winning foundation and kind of better understand price action and all that. Jumping into it. Hey, peace out all. Hey, have fun at your class. Learn lots. All right, the SPY is trying to hold up. They're trying to hold up for now at this 564 level. We'll have to see. They always play the most games with the SPY. Look at Apple on a 5 real quick. Oh, wrong chart, wrong chart. Go to a 5 on the SPY as well. All right, so it's kind of below that 5, the 13 EMA on the 5. So now we can kind of like actually try to just ride this down and see where it goes. SPY or Apple is about 90 cents from being in the money. My Chevy box boy, I'm about to do that right now. How to trade ops. Oh yeah, here let me shoot y'all a playlist real quick. Here, let's see. Let's go to my channel. All right, so Or here, let's see. Where is this playlist? Where's it at? All right, so I'm gonna say here. I'm gonna make that pinned comment. So that's gonna be the link to a playlist that'll kind of like teach you, dang, almost everything I know about kind of like setting up everything. But the video that's gonna be of most help, like to kind of learning about options, because the first one's about stocks and setting up the charts. But to kind of learn about options, that second link right there, that's gonna really kind of show you the realities. All right, so we're selling off a little bit. All right, let's check in. Let's see. So Apple's up 18%. I'm still down on the SPY. Yeah, still down on the SPY like 8%. But yeah, Apple's starting to look beautiful. What's good, Achuhu? Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Oh, oh. Oh, this neck massager is trying to choke me now since I leaned back. Let me fix that. Yes, that beginning video helped me out. Oh yeah. Hey, glad to hear it. That's exactly why I made it. Yeah, I wish there was like a better way to kind of point people to stuff on YouTube. Cause it's like when you go to my channel, it's like there's just a huge kind of I don't know what to say. It's kind of like a huge, I guess, catalog, and it's like you don't necessarily know how to find what it is that people are looking for. Okay, hold up. So there is a meta day trade. Here, we're just gonna add it to the watch list, or we're gonna add it. We're gonna kind of add it to the watch list. But Derive is giving a meta day trade, and let's look. So meta. Trade meta option. So it is, they posted it 3 minutes ago when meta was at 583.81. Meta is okay. Meta has moved a little bit already, like a few dollars, but let's see. Oh, it's not cheap. So it is but we'll add it to the watch list just to watch it. So the strike is a 560. What is it? Put? Yeah, put. Where we go? 560. Oh, the expiration is the 28th. So for next week. So let's see where 560. But it's a day trade, so it was 660 at the time, but take profits at 858 and stop losses at 561. So just wanted to take that just to have that up there. JM, I found the good stuff under playlist. Hey, appreciate you, JM. Oh yeah, good stuff on. Yeah, I need to do more to like really kind of find the playlist. I think that playlist is actually not public. I think you have to go to that link or have it saved. That one that I just posted. I had one that was like pretty much identical that was public, but now I actually have to share that link. Nicole, good morning. You're very welcome. Yeah, very welcome. Thanks for noticing the setup video. Yeah, that is now you know what I'm looking at every day. Aside from the window being open, it's like I got definitely have the window open in the background, but that wouldn't have worked too well on what I was recording. All right, Meta was on its way to 900 before the crash. If you can find its bottom, yes, yeah, Meta is going to be a amazing leap. Or like even just picking up shares, I think is amazing at these levels because Meta is, it's gonna pass a thousand. So honestly, getting it like if you see $420 of movement, Meta's gonna pay. Meta is going to pay that good money. It's just honestly having the funds and the timing to kind of get that done. Hold up, y'all. I'm just wanna like coordinate something with a friend. I'm gonna mute this real quick. All right, I'm back. I'm back. And then if for some reason the mic didn't shut off, I didn't go anywhere. But either way, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I agree. 400 would be good entry. Oh no, I'm not saying like $400. I was saying like so if we look at Meta, I'm just saying like the upside, like talking about the move from like where it is now to 400, or the move from where it is now to 1,000. Yo, that's where we at? Hold on, wrong. Let's look at that on a different spot. Honestly, there's this trend line going on right now. If Meta breaks this trend line, like you get like an actual break and it like continues on, like not just some like little break. If you get a break and retest, that's game right there. That is game. All right, Apple is what is it? It's about 60 cents from being in the money. All right, that's cool. But here, let's look at Meta on the. I'm really liking the way Apple looks on this time frame. So Meta is in a weekly demand. There is a gap that still needs to be filled down to like, oh no, there's a gap that needs to be filled to 525. Do I see any more? There's some crazy ones down to like 330 something. That's kind of wild. And then, dang, there's some, like, I couldn't imagine, there is a gap that is unfilled on Meta all the way down to 120. If we ever see anything like, oh my goodness, that would be insanity. Just, I'm not sure I believe that could even happen, but in the instance that it does, we would be major fools to not buy that dip. All right, let's go back to the 4 hour. All right, Julie, maybe a crazy question, but do you trade crypto, or is that something? So there are dips that I'll buy on crypto, and I will like ride it up to a certain level once it loses momentum. So that is technically trading, but not. I don't like trade it from day to day or even week to week. It's a lot less. It's not that frequent that I do. So it's like I have like kind of pullback levels where I'm like, oh yeah, I'll grab a little bit, but nah. For the most part, no, just because it's like the same moves. I'm not getting any leverage when I'm using crypto. So it's like just with the knowledge I have, I can find moves that are gonna the similar percentage moves with stocks. So I'm not really too concerned about crypto. My thing is like if I'm going to trade, I'm going to trade what I know, and it's like if there comes a time when it really, really is valuable owning crypto, the money that I have gained from trading stocks will buy me a lot more than me holding it over time. I think holding is good, like the less you know, but like it's like after you take your time, get that knowledge and everything, um, and you have the time to actually deal with it. For me, I feel it's better to be dealing with stocks. Great call on Apple. I'm up 100. Hey, nice, nice. Oh yeah, stop limit. It's not a bad idea. Video on future. I have to deal with the futures first. It's like right now, it's like I would like to, but it's like also it's like I have a lot on my plate and a lot of things to do. So it's like I want to, but it's like honestly, I don't see that happening soon. So C Smooth, I don't have one. I have seen like somebody post a decent video on it when I was just trying to look at it, but I have seen someone post a decent video on it. But oddly enough, it's like I know they've kind of rolled it out to some people, and they've even like rolled it out like sending offers to my wife's account. They have not offered me. And I know you can like ask customer service and get it, but it's like right now like the time that I have available is like there are a lot of other things that kind of take priority to me doing that. But it's something I want to do. You're welcome, Julie. All right, so trying to here. Let's see. Let's look at this Apple. Still down on SPY. All right. Let's see. Watching your how to sell put options for beginner videos. I accidentally should have researched more before doing options. Bought a $3 put option. I don't understand selling versus. Oh, I got. Hold on. Gotta like reread that almost. All right. Watching your how to sell put option. Accidentally bought a put option. I don't understand selling versus exercising. So ideally you the easiest thing to do would just be to sell it. Exercising, like if you exercise a put option, what's going to happen when you exercise a put is what a put does is gives you the right to sell 100 shares of the stock. So if you did it on Apple, for instance, then that would give you the right to sell 100 shares of Apple at $3. But if you just sell out of the contract, if you just sell if you already bought it, which that's what you communicated to me that you bought a $3 put, the easiest way out would be to sell it. What's your input on TQQQ long or short? From here, I would look for short, but it can go either way, honestly. Hold on 1 second, y'all. I got a call. All right, we back on. We back on. Think we're good. All right, let's see. How you said it was for Clove. Okay, got my chart set up. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Hood or taking a hood call on Weeble just seems wrong, but go with the charts. All right, let's see. Oh wait, hold up. I mean, I would say depending on your time frame. Honestly, it's well. So hood is in a downtrend, but I would say like you could still see upside. I mean, you could see selling off here, but I would say it could run as far as like maybe like 44, 50, 45. So it's like there's potential. Hey, QBTS below the 13 EMA on the 4 hour for the first time. I mean, it's the candle's not closed, but this is the first time it has gone below. So that's kind of good progress. I should go in for a put for Meta, or should I go in for a? That's gonna go. That's on you. Yeah, that's 100% on you. That's for me. I'm not taking it. So I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Yeah, that comes down to you. Meta is kind of chilling around break even. That one put that had came up isn't even. I think it would be down right now. Oh, let me actually go to the watch list on that Meta put real quick. Also, I would encourage y'all to make sure y'all are live and like make sure the little live button at the bottom of the stream says live. All right, let's see real quick. Just want to see how. All right, so this is the price that it was when it opened. So from when I first said something, it's down 8%, but this is the price it was when they first shared it. So right now, like Derive AI is at break even. All right, the SPY is very interesting right now. I don't know if they're going to give some sort of double top. But yeah, right now the SPY is moving very interestingly. Does Robinhood have a P&L section? Yeah. So like if you're looking at a specific contract, it's going to be directly below the contract or the stock. I also think here, let's see. There is a section to see like your specific P&L. I don't know exactly how to get to it, but I've definitely seen it before. There are times I like mess around in the app and I get to it, so I can tell you they do have it. I just don't know how to get to it off the top of my head. QBTS level to watch is 950. Hope it breaks through. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. I think the level to break through, the level to watch. I'm like, yo, let them break through. I see what you're talking about at 950. Yeah, 100%. Oh my goodness, there's so much wind. I'm supposed to like run the track today. This wind is not my friend. This wind is crazy. It's been like crazy windy in Texas. It's like the temperature is like nice, but the wind is crazy. Wait, hold up. Ah, I see what you mean, Master DRC. Yeah, actually, yeah, that is something I could do. That's crazy. I didn't think about that, but yeah, it gets pretty high. I could like sit down and do it too, cause the desk is really high. Um, Click your options tab and it takes you there on the main menu where you. Okay, appreciate that, Achuhu. Appreciate that. All right. Yeah. Hey, this apple is hey, it's heading to the money. Let's make it happen, Apple. I think it'd be cool if we. I mean, I was like looking at 213.40 or so, but yo, if we want to come to this 200 EMA, I'll be cool too. Honestly, it could sell off. I might just have to set a stop loss after a certain point and then just let it do its thing. But I'm also, yeah, I'm not just trying to sit here all day and just watch this. So, ooh, running against the wind would, yeah, it would be a great workout. I'll probably look like I'm not moving at all. But hey, we'll make it. We can make that happen. All right. Hmm. Yeah, you really got me thinking about this light bulbs thing now, Mass 3DRC. Almost got me wanting to hop on my desk and ride right now. I walk my treadmill while watching your stream. I low key, I need to put it back, but I had a treadmill under my desk and I do it sometimes. I've done it on stream like once or twice. Like if it were like really bad outside and I'm like, yo, I'm not trying to go outside. And then also I got more people moving into my apartment complex now and the treadmills are filled up. I'm like, yo, yeah, let's use this treadmill, but hey, for sure. Hey, that's a good idea. I do not need a ladder. So I'm in the Dallas area, but yeah, I had a lot of people. Yeah, a lot of people came in for the rocks in Houston for sure. I saw a lot of good amount of friends out there too. And now I got a friend like trying to talk about like he asked like, "Hey, what's the next run we're doing?" I'm like, "Yo, I don't know." And then or mess around, do like the high rocks or something. I'm like, "Oh." I'm like, "Bro, you're wilding." I'm like, "That's like the high rocks looks like what football off season was for me in high school. Like it's but it's like, yo, homies trying to mess around. Next thing I know, I'll be doing something like that. Hey, but Coach CJ, yeah, how'd you do? How was it? Was it your first one? Derek, definitely tired of the wind here in Texas, driving in it all. Were you a truck driver? Or were you just a regular, like just a regular car you're driving? It's definitely annoying walking in the wind for sure. Like, not even gonna lie, the dog I was walking this morning, yo, it like pooped, and then the poop like it flew on his back this morning because it was so windy. I was like, oh no, oh no, yeah, I know that wind sucks if you're a truck driver. All right, the apple is what is it? Yeah, it's about 20 cents from the money. Yeah, still riding that EMA pretty nice. Yeah, good stuff, Apple. And to think I wanted a call on Apple earlier today. But also, like, to be real, that call I was looking at, that was money too. But yeah, I never got my re-entry anyway. All right, let's see. First one, it was fun. Definitely a football type workout. Oh dang, okay. Coach CJ wants some more. Where are you from, Coach CJ? You said that dog was worth being here, bro. There, that dog story. Nah, yeah, it was. I'm like, what the? I'm like, come on now. I was like, dang, yeah, nah, yeah. I was like, dang, like homie needed a rinse when he got back. I'm like, I'm glad it's not in my apartments. But yeah, it's like I want dogs of my own one day. But yeah, that's something I'm gonna have to think about and consider. I'm like, dang, that's nasty. Yeah, it's a French bulldog. Honestly, I can probably show y'all the dog. Let me see. I gotta make. Let me. Let's see. Pull up my camera roll. Should be on my computer. I'm gonna show y'all the dog. Let's see. Yeah, let me. I gotta go into OBS and make it where y'all can see it. But give me a second. OBS. Let's add another layer. What is it? What layer is it? Oh, Mac OS screen. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh, nope. Here one. I'm sorry. Y'all can't. Y'all probably can't. Let's see. There we go. All right. Cool. Wait. Can you see that? Can you not see that? I can't see it. Oh. Okay. I think I might need to bring it up. Oh. That was me. I'm lost. Okay. I just lost. Okay. Oh. Okay. I got this. Okay. That's me. Which one is it? It's Google Chrome. I don't know why it's not showing up. You know what? Let's just actually. Oh, okay. I know what the issue is. I think. There we go. There we go. All that to get y'all to see this, but this is the dog. This is the dog. Yeah. There it is. All right. That was a lot of work. Okay, back to it. All right, what are you looking to get? No, I'm just gonna I'm not trying to do a bunch of trades today. I'm not trying to go crazy with the trades. This Apple put is plenty for me. I'll just kind of close and like let that one do its thing. Also, still see what goes on with the spy. Like I feel like it's gonna work its way down. I'm not sure, but yeah, just see what goes on with that. All right. You said FYI, don't get us started about kids and blowout diapers. Stick with the. Oh no, I gotta, gotta have the kids too. You know, I'll have one in a couple years. Oh no, I did not clip the dog. I did not. Nah, I don't just walk around like I'm like, oh, he's pooping. Let me pull out the camera. Nah, that would have been bad. Okay, from Chicago, live in Michigan right now. Futures trader looking to get into options to diversify. I personally feel like if I were trading futures, I was like, yo, I would not venture into options. I think futures are cool because you don't have to worry about the Greeks. But yeah, I would say as a futures trader, if there were like one video I was gonna watch, here, let me drop it in the. I'm not sure if you already understand this stuff, but this video right here, the pricing, that would be like the biggest thing to understand in my opinion. Big 117 likes. What a yes. Yeah, quite the day, quite the day. Good stuff. The family has showed up. No, I haven't done anything futures on Robinhood yet. I haven't talked to customer service and they haven't rolled anything out to me yet, surprisingly. But and then also I just don't like with the stuff I have going on, I don't feel like it yet. But Palantir moving like Apple did this morning, maybe a put. We can look at Palantir. Hold up. Look at it over here. So so Palantir is technically in an uptrend, whereas Apple is in a downtrend. Like Palantir, here, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so ever since like probably like over here, Palantir kind of broke its trend, but also like once they had a candle close above like $85, they're bullish. So as of right now, it's like they can sell off here. But now instead of like Palantir is one that I would rather wait for it to pull back to trade to the upside since it's in an uptrend than trying to figure out where to grab a short. Trading with the trend is going to be your best bet in most markets. Yeah, the SPY they're trying to like take money and shake people out of positions. So it is what it is with the SPY. All right, let me close out this picture or whatever. Cool. All right, we'll see how Apple does here. It looks like honestly it might be kind of nearing. Either it'll like touch and then come down, or it might be kind of nearing and like be done with the steam. All right, Tesla is at that resistance level and it looks like it's trying to go up. So yeah, we'll see what happens with Tesla. We got 4 more minutes on this candle. We got European close occurring. So yeah, I guess we'll see what the market decides to do. But I think I'm going to Maybe close out on Apple. Wait, let's see. Oh no, yeah, I just have to. Yeah, I'm gonna just. Actually, let's see. We're still below that. Here, let's look at this 48 EMA as well. No, yeah, Apple on the 5. That's kind of bullish, a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna close out Apple because it can definitely like move up some more. I'm gonna just take profit right here. It could move down more, but it could move up more. So I'm gonna just close out here and call it a day on Apple. Just took profit on Apple. Sold out at what I sell out at? Sold out at $2.11 per share. There we go. Oh, let me shoot the picture in. There we go. All right, so I'm done with Apple. The SPY, we'll kind of see what happens with that, but I'm done with Apple. Because Apple, like, they did get some bullish news. Like, if they want to pull back, if they do anything like pull back to 213, I might be down. But it's like I'm not trying to get caught holding a bunch of stuff before the Fed speaks. So yeah, we gotta be wise and take profits while we see them. We're coming in the Euro close. It's very well possible that we can continue to sell off here, but I'm not. I don't want to take the chance. I don't want to lose the gains. So, is that a bull flag on Tesla? Yeah, it kind of looks like one. Yeah, I mean it's a big one. Well, actually, this right here doesn't really. Yeah. You can say it's a bull flag. Yeah, if Tesla like actually breaks here. Once again, there was a reason like people were asking about puts on Tesla. I was not wanting to do that because I mean they are at their 13 EMA on the 4-hour, but like for me, I personally don't want to like grab puts on Tesla till this area over here. Here, wait, hold up. Now that I'm out, hey, I mean that'd be cool if Apple wants to run up. Yeah, that would be cool. I mean, ideally, like if Apple comes back here, I'm probably not going to. Maybe I get a swing later in the day. We'll see. Wish you could be around when Powell speaks today. Yeah. So I've traded Powell streams in the past, and I've made money in the past, but I feel like I've definitely lost on a lot more of them than I've won. And I feel like I'm probably like my head is on better now than it was when I watched them, but it's like I feel like I'm just better off not like watching them too closely and just seeing how the market does. Does the Fed speak at 1:30 Central Time? Yeah. They speak at 1:30 Central Time. You'll get the announcement at 1 p.m. Central Time. And that is going to be 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 2:30 Eastern Standard Time. 3 hours from now, let me see. Yeah. Wait, 3 hours from now, yeah. Do I still have Apple 200? No, I don't have anything. So no, I closed out of those. I think it might have been yesterday I closed out of those. I want to say I closed out of them for like 80. It was 80 something. I feel like I'd probably be up on those calls, but nah, I closed out of them. QBTS hovering at 990. Oh yeah, it's at 989 right now. Hey, we looking good on QBTS. I would love if the spy stopped playing games. Here, I need to like have some alert levels set. So I'll probably take this see if we can I'll have spy alert me if it wants to come below this 563.33 level. Yo, it's so windy. Cars turning around. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the spy is. Yeah, they might be going for that double top on the spy. All right, let's see. Apple trying to pump up a little bit. Spy trying to pump up. Still have my Apple call. Might do the same closeouts too when I. Oh, you know what? Oh yeah, they definitely yeah. Here, let me say this. If you like sit here watch me chart, and if you ever take a trade that I take, I would highly encourage you, like if you see I have a trend line or anything like that, try your best to take that in your own chart and implement that yourself and set alerts and whatnot, because I don't know. It's just like that's I feel like that's how you learn the best. I don't know. But oh shoot, 123, 123. That's cool. That's cool. But all right, family. So we just got Euro close. Closed out the Apple. The spy. Hey, it's up in the air. We'll see, or some of us will see what happens. I'll check in with y'all on that tomorrow. Um, Honestly, the family won't even know about that spy because I didn't tell them about the entry. So let's see. Loading deep out of the money puts for. Hey, that might be a move. That might be a move. But yeah, that's gonna do it for the day, family. Um, I hope wanted to take this time to say thank you, each and every one of y'all, for stopping by. Hope y'all be safe today trading because volatility. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Also, if y'all haven't seen it, I would really appreciate it if y'all could watch my desk setup video. Let me know what y'all think. Hey, leave a comment down below. Be honest. Let me know if y'all think I'm missing anything, cause it's like I want to make this place a little. I want to make it a little bit homier. So, if you got the time, hey, let me know. But either way, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. All right, hold up. All right, peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, My Life Be Like. Let's see. Peace out, Nunet. Peace out, Ty. Peace out, Achuhu. Peace out, Darren. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Aaron. And let's see. I appreciate that, Darren. Peace out, D-Scurv. Let's see. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, Thizzle. Peace out, Julie. Peace out, Big Reg. Peace out, Breeze. Peace out, Dr. Modified. Peace out, Video Relo. Yeah. Peace out, Timothy. The mini basketball. Yeah. That was Oh, my wife actually likes to come in and play with that a lot. Peace out in Bradley. Yeah. Yeah, that's gonna do it for today. Hey, I'll see y'all good fellows tomorrow. You said watch the setup video, but I need the promo code. Um, Depending on what it is, I may or may not have a promo code. I don't like it's not sponsored or anything, but I might some of it I might be able to get a promo code for. We'll see. So like if you want to comment and be like, yo, do you have a code for this? I might be able to respond and be like, yo, give me a second. Yeah, and then just like pop it in there. But yeah, that's gonna do it. Y'all have a blessed day. Matthew Mann signing off. Want to change your life. Peace.